It's all you.
Okay, my name is Miriam Miranda, and I'm from Claremont. I've lived here 30-some years. And when I was, I just got finished telling your nurse, when I was 4, we came from Cuba. We didn't have any money at all, so they took out one of my teeth. It was a permanent tooth, but we didn't know at the time. I certainly didn't. Of course, my mom doesn't want to admit that to this day that it happened, but it happened. Yeah. So anyways, that's why I'm missing that tooth. And that's what led to the bridge and the other tooth being gone. And so I was really apprehensive. I was really scared to do implants. I thought, well, I'll just do another bridge. But then when I came here, it was explained to me in such perfection that you would have to file down the other tooth to get the bridge, and it would be different later in life. It would affect it later in life. And so I thought, you could give me all the information so clearly that I was sure that I needed to do the implants. And I was still kind of scared, but I went ahead. And then when I came for the surgery itself, it was really pleasant. I didn't feel a thing. This is true, which is amazing for me because, you know, I usually feel a lot at the dentist, but I didn't feel a thing. It was really pleasant, and the recovery was great. And I never had a single problem afterwards, not one. And now I'm just very, very happy and pleased. And I just want to say that everyone here is amazing. You have the nicest staff. And that you're a very, very wonderful, wonderful doctor. Thank you.
We appreciate that.